So in here I have a couple of different clippers, but today I'm going to show you Wahl magic clippers, because these are the clippers we are always using for the skin fades, high skin fades, mid skin fades, low skin fades, all type of hair, all type of skin fades. And you all know skin fades are quite very popular. And very common haircuts at the moment, so that's why, you know, these tools are very important. So I have a Magic 100 series Wahl clipper in here, and these are one of my best clippers, and they are very nice and very fast and very smooth, and they always give me good results with my skin fades and with my fades. So let's jump in the changing the blades. I already changed this blades because I have a new blades. It's very new, because I always like to change my blades very often. Every often, how, like, depends how much I use. And so I'm just gonna open this and I'm gonna change this blades, and you will see now. All right. So first of all, we start the 2 screws on the back. All right. Just be careful, please don't lose the small screws, because they are very small and very tiny, so it can be lost very easily, and so you don't want to lose that. So when we take the two screws out, and then we just come out with this. This is the first part, and this is the second part, as you can see, because all they are clean and they are all oiled and they're all ready. Yeah. So this is the blades part, and this is the part you change with this usually. So this is the part you usually change. This is the blades come with this, and this is the blade come with this as well, and also in here. Whenever you are changing your blades, it's always, you know, sometimes if you've been working with your clippers quite a while, and it's always like hair stalks in there, and always you will always find hair in there. It's always easy way to blow dry them, and because blow dry will help to get all the hairs out of your machine as well inside. And also what you can do as well, sometimes, you know, the hairs can get stuck in there as well, and you can use the tweezers as well to get all the hairs out as well, and just like that. And this can come out as well in here. So this part can come out as well if you know how to put it back on as well. Just be very careful in here, because sometimes, you know, all the hairs can get stuck in there, and that will slow your machine, because there's actually, you know, machine inside there. There's actually, you know, main part which can work with your blades. There's main parts in there, so it's always nice to keep around that clean. And you can use the blow dry for that, and you can get the tweezers as well, and you can just pull the hairs in there like that, very nice and gently. So once you do that, you can always give back again quick blow dry. And then once you're 100% sure about all the hairs come out, we can put back this again. Just again, nice and gently, make sure this is all sitting in there. Yeah, once you hear the click noise, that's mean that's sitting there, and you can just like test like that as well. And then once you get your new blades, and again, this is like new blades, when you get back new blades, and then you can always make sure the new blade is going again like this inside, and then just make sure, because this has to be look like this. You can't put it like this, because otherwise it will not be cutting. So you have to make sure you are putting them back together nice and right way. It's very important. And then same again with this one, and this goes like this. And then whenever you are putting this back again, just is, you know, like hold with your one finger like that, you know, because it's like, you know, with this main finger, you know, just hold like that, because you can, with the screw hole in there, as you can see, it will be easy for you to put the screws in. And once you hold it, and then you can just double check like that as well, again with your front side. Yeah, and once you are and then you can just make sure, you know, the screw hole is in there, and then it's just matching with the bottom hole as well. And then once you set the screw in there nice and gently, don't screw that all the way down. Once you're sure it's holding a little bit like this, because this will be like kind of like this. All right, and then with the second screw again, we can put it on. Again, don't be screwing too much, because we have to level the blades now. So make sure the blade is on the middle of this guard. Yeah, and then this is all the way front, so you can know where's your blade gonna be. And then once you're happy with the blades level, you can just double check on the back level as well, because you can use this as a help, and this will show you, once you're moving back and forward, it will show you where's your blade, because, you know, on the corners as well is quite important. And then once you're happy with the level of your blades, you can slowly, nice and gently, just give some screw, and then just screw it a little bit, and then just double check again your blades. And if you're happy with your blade levels, you can go back and screw and then get your screws nice and tight. Yeah, and then once you screw once you put your screws nice and tight, you can just double check again, and then just work it again, and then should be okay. That's perfect. And then with your hand help as well, you can get like this. You can just like put in your hand, and you can just see the level like that as well, because sometimes, you know, when the light hit the blades, you can't see too much, you know, because shine, and that's why, you know, it's nice to put something behind there or something like this. But, you know, mostly I prefer like this, because it makes, you know, whenever I'm doing like this, it gives me more better vision and more better view. I can see my blades clearly. And then once you finish putting your blades, new blades in, please don't forget to put oil as well. And then give some nice, we have on this clipper oil in here as well. It's the oil blade after every use for increased effectiveness. So it's very, very good, and it's really very good, and a cool disinfectant, and lubricants, and cleaner, and rust prevent as well. And yeah, preventive, yeah. So a little bit cool care, and then move your blades back and forward, so make sure, you know, all the oil and spray goes inside the blades as well, because it will help them to work in very nice and smooth. And I have also Wahl Wahl clipper oil in here. This is actually main clipper, and this will be one, you know, keep your clipper nice and cool, and make sure it will last longer as well on your clippers. And then once you put your oil in there as well, just again back and forward, and then with your clipper cleaning towel, you don't want to use your clipper cleaning towel on the clients, you know, you just have to keep them separate, because all these clippers has like chemical in them, so that's why, you know, you don't want to use them on your clients, or you have to be careful, you know, so that's it. And then once you clean your, you know, like clippers like this, just give it like nice polish all around, so it doesn't slip in your hand as well, you know, because, you know, when you put the oil in them, they are quite like, you know, all slippery. So it's nice to give all around your clippers nice and clean, and polish them as well, because it will, you know, it will sit in your hand. So I hope this video helped you I hope this video helped you guys to pick up a couple of tips on this, and then how to change our Wahl 100 series magic clipper, and how to change the blade with them. And it's nice and simple and easy. Once you change a couple of times, trust me, you will get there and you will get used to it. And then once you get used to it, it's going to be so much easier for you to change your blades on your clippers. And every often changing blades, it will give your clippers a more smooth work, and then give your haircuts a more better result. So thank you so much. This video really helped you, and if you really think you pick a couple of tips out of this video, please hit the like button. And if you are new in here, consider subscribe, because we are going to come back many more videos like this with the haircuts, hot towel shaves, beard trims, all too many haircuts and too many videos. It's going to be so much busy for us, so I can't wait to back to work as well. And if you have any questions, please don't be hesitate to comment on the below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And thank you so much for watching this video today, and stay safe, and see you on next video. Thank you guys.